Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories. I am here today with the second spring pocket letter swap. This one is from my friend Christine. Thank you so much, Christine. And her channel is Kawaii Memo Love. You guys have to check her out. She does the most fabulous crafts for swaps. She does 3D projects, die cuts, all kinds of cute stuff. So I swapped with her and also with Jovi because it was uneven. Oh, so I was lucky enough to swap with two people. So Christine was the second person. I love this jumbo butterfly paper clip. Look at that. Oh, I don't have anything like that. Look at her beautiful Easter bunny. Oh, I love that die cut. Oh, she even put some sweet little things inside the card. Thank you, Christine. Oh, I love these. I wonder if she added that or if it was already on there. Love that. So happy to participate in the spring pocket letter swap. I hope you like what I made and the extras. Happy crafting, Christine. And here's all her info. That is just gorgeous. Thank you, Christine. Okay, so this was on top when I opened, and I think it's the pocket letter. Ooh, look how cute. She did this really pretty tag, this 3D flower tag. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then it's on this really fun trims. Oh, I like that. And I love all her little butterflies she put throughout the box. Those are so cute. Wow. Oh, wow, Christine. This is beautiful from what I see already. Oh, I love this. You see, is it all in frame? Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, there's so much going on. So much fun stuff. Let's get a close-up. Oh, these beautiful die cuts on top. Oh, that is neat. I love this bow. That's a pretty bow. And then we have these down here. Oh, these are just the cutest die cuts. And so those are on top. Okay, that is on top. And then we have the little papers. And let's put this aside so you can see the top right there, how beautiful that is. And she did that to each one. And look at this tassel. Oh, wow. I love all these fun trims. This one's got bunnies. Oh, that is too cute. Little gingham bunnies. And another 3D little tag. This one is a butterfly. I love that. That is gorgeous, Christine. So this was in the first pocket. Oh, I love these stickers. Oh, this is cute. Wait, it opens, yes. Oh, it's like a little tag. I like that. Look on the sunny side. Enjoy the little things. Everything grows with. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I really love that. Okay, I'm going to try to keep these off to the side in order. What is this? This must have came off somewhere. Or unless it was inside the little pocket, maybe. Hopefully. Let me know, Christine. Hopefully it went in the pocket. Oh, she just stuffed this with so much. Wow. Oh, I like these little wood butterflies. Oh, and a bunch of little different color bunny stickers. Oh, this one's cute. Love these, Christine. Oh, the rainbows is so fun. And look at that beautiful paper. So fun. Wait, what's that? Oh, that's the little cloud. Oh, with the little rainbows. I love this right here. I just keep wanting to play with that. So this one has the little banner with the die-cut eggs and the little bunny. And then, oh, look at these cute little foam bunnies. Oh, that is adorable. You always have the cutest little pieces. And again, that pretty blue paper. Love that. Okay. Christine just does so much attention to detail. This is beautiful in the same paper, but in pink instead of blue. I love that. Oh, look at these. Oh, little bunny. Those are adorable. I like these little bunnies too. I love that. The little rain boots. Okay, I'm trying not to mess anything up here. Whoop. Oh, that's a pick. Oh, look at that. Okay, and that goes in here. Oh, that is super cute idea. Oh, I love that. Look at the cute bows. Oh, these bows are adorable. Love those. Oops. Can I get in the pocket? Oh, I love this paper again in the pink. So many fun goodies, Christine. I hope I sent enough. I hope you enjoy what I sent you. These are just adorable. Oh, look at these little minis. Oops, I just took one off. Oops, get back on. Oh, I love that. Oh, and these are like little stars. Get in frame here. Oh, those are cute. I love that with the butterflies and the little water pail. This one, she has little ducks on top of eggs. That's super cute. Come on. My nails make it difficult to get in these. Oh, I love that. These are so cute. And I love those little duckies. Oh, it's hot glued on. You know what? I have issues. I'm gonna have to glue this back on for her. I've had issues before trying to hot glue things to these before, and it stays on for a little while, and then all of a sudden, boom, it just pops off. I'll fix it, don't worry. And then I'll pick them up. I'll pick this whole pocket letter up in my little binder I have that I keep my pocket letters and my ATCs. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little trim. Oh, I love these little minis. She loves minis too. She does a lot of little mini things. I love that. That is too cute. And little rabbit with his carrot. Hold on, there's some more in there. Oh, with another butterfly. And I think some more stores like we had. Those are adorable. Oh, and I love this. That's so pretty. So here is the pocket letter in the bottom. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put all this back on top here so I know which pockets they go in. And I'm gonna set this aside. Oh, look at these cute flowers. I didn't see those. I love that. She also sent me this. Oh my gosh, so much stuff, Christine. You are too kind, my friend, too kind. I struggled with thinking about items to send you because I know you do a lot of like cutesy stuff. I do like a lot of vintagey stuff. So I hope you enjoy the extras I sent you. I love this cup. Oh, that is going to be my new little spring coffee cup. And look inside. Winnie the Pooh socks. Oh, these are adorable, Christine. Thank you. Okay, let's stick those back in here for now. Okay, right here we have Miss Sparkle & Co. tag kit. So we get a little to and from stamp. That's so cool. We get the little twine and lots of these little tags. Cute. Oh, I love this black and white. And these are just little remember to-do list, little sticky notes. Oh, those are cute, Christine. And then look at these cute little Easter bags. I love them. Oh my goodness, what have you done? Okay, let's put this right here. So look at these cute little felt bunnies. Oh, those are adorable. I guess I need to hurry up and start my Easter crafting. Oh, I could use these for my kids to decorate their baskets and stuff. Love those. Love these gold beads. And look at this. How cute. That would be really cute for like a journal or something, like a cover. Oh, or I could just put it, some string on it and hang it up in my craft room. Let's see what she sent in the second bag. Oh my goodness. Ooh, these are adorable. Look at all these. Super, super sweet. And then some in blue. Oh, I love those. And they're super soft. Those are adorable. Ooh, these are those sticker. They look like gems, but they're not. They're like hollow and they reflect the light, what makes them look like they sparkle. I love those. And, ooh, look at this sequins. Oh, and it's stretchy. That's going to be fun to use. These are cute. What are they? Are they like little transfers? Yes, for your eggs, for Easter eggs. Okay. Oh yeah, the little bands that go around. Doy. Oh, those are so cute. I love that. You gave me so many cute things, Christine. And look, oh look, she even included some vintage items. Oh. Oh, these are adorable. Let's look at some of these. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Put that one down there. This rose. Ooh, I think this is gonna go in my new journal. For my roses and neutrals journal. This is so cute. The little hair. Oh, I love that. Oh, these are fantastic, Christine. Absolutely fantastic. Wow, and I think this was only like her second pocket letter, I think she said. And she did a fabulous, absolutely fabulous job on her pocket letter. I knew she would. Everything she does is just gorgeous. I love the layering she does. I love her attention to detail. I love her cutesy style. Thank you so much, Christine, for swapping with me. I'm trying to get all your goodies back in frame here. All these goodies. Thank you so much, Christine. I appreciate you swapping and gifting me so many fun items. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.